I have an idea for our family tonight.
An idea? Tell us, Sophia. We are listening.
Every day, we write one thing, one good thing. We fold it and we put it in this jar.
What does it eat?
Jack, it is a jar. It does not eat.
We're writing in a jar?
Yes, I love it. I want to start now.
Can I write about pizza? I really like pizza.
One rule, we do not read until day 30. The jar keeps our secrets safe until then.
But how does the jar read it?
Jack, we read it, not the jar. We do. Found one. I found a pencil right here.
I found a rubber band. Does this count?
I am putting the big star right here. Perfect.
Mine has to be very straight, very, very straight.
I know what I want to say. I know already. This is going to be great. I know it.
Okay, jar, do your job.
Did you just talk to the jar?
No, I did not. Nobody saw that.
There. That is our jar. It lives here now. I wonder what Dad wrote in his note.
Me too. Dad does not talk much about feelings.
Maybe this jar helps. Maybe it helps him too.
I do not want to write today. I am too tired.
You do not have to write a lot. Just one small thing.
One small thing?
Today was a very bad day.
Anna, what is one good thing from today?
One good thing? I know what to write today. I know it now.
I have nothing. Look, the paper is empty, like my brain.
Your brain is not empty, Jack. You are very smart.
Okay, I got it. I got one thing. Goodbye, little note. You are very brave. Very brave. We need more notes. This jar is too quiet. Come on.
It is 1 a.m. What are you doing?
The jar was lonely. I helped it. Good night.
Good night, honey, and good night, jar. Family meeting. How is our jar going? How do you feel?
It is hard. But okay. I think. Maybe yes. Okay.
It helps. When I had a bad day, I still found one thing.
I like it more than I thought I would. I admit it.
Jack, I am rinsing. You said I could rinse first.
No, I said I rinse, you dry. That was the deal.
Both of you. Rinse and dry. Together. End of argument.
Writing helps me think. I did not know that. Jack, what are you doing?
I was not reading them. I was just looking at them.
Your hand was inside the jar, Jack. Inside the jar. We do not read the notes until day 30. That is the rule. I told him that. I said exactly that. I was right.
15 more days? That is forever. That is my whole life.
No, 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 no. Day 30. I said day 30. Look around the room. Name one good thing you can see. My good thing is all of you. My whole family.
This family, this is my good thing. Every single morning.
Dad, does writing help you sleep too?
Yes, it does. More than I expected. Good night, Anna.
Jack, stop humming. I cannot think right now.
Hey, let us all take a breath. Together, right now. Something happened. Let us talk about it. Quietly.
Thank you brings more things to be thankful for. Always.
Is that why you always look happy, Dad?
Yes, I think that is exactly why.
Gratitude is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. But what if nothing good happened? What then? Then look smaller. Very small things count too, Anna.
Excuse me, can I be thankful for socks?
Jack, I am sorry I snapped at you.
It is okay. I am thankful you said sorry. 8 more days. We finish this. All 4 of us.
Look how full it is. We really did this.
Wow. That is a lot of thankful in one jar.
It is day 30! It is day 30! Today is the day!
Tonight, we read everything together as a family.
Tonight! I have waited so long.
What if someone reads my note? That is a little scary. Pick one, read it out loud. We all guess who wrote it.
I am thankful for pizza. I knew it. It is mine.
Of course it is yours, Jack. I am thankful for sunny mornings. That was me.
Dad, are you okay? Yes, I am very okay. More than okay. Who wrote this? I am thankful Dad always comes home.
Can I read mine? I want to read my own note to you all. I am thankful for every normal day with all of us together.
That is a good one, Anna. That is a really good one.
We are starting a new jar tonight. This one is forever.
Yes, forever. Day 1, again.
And one more. Just one more. Very important.
Jack, is that a pizza note again?
Maybe. Pizza is still very thankful.
One small jar, 30 days, and a whole new way to see the world. The end.